Catch me if you want it back. Hey! Do not steal my things! Wow! They are like tiny stars. You are right. It is beautiful.
Hurry up, kids! Our first family trip is starting!
I love the forest. This trip will be amazing. No Wi-Fi in the forest? This trip is a total disaster. You are acting crazy, Tom. Put the screen down. I won't. The real world is boring.
Trust me, Tom. Nature is never boring.
Let's go! The Treehouse Village is waiting for us.
Look at the big trees outside, kids.
Oh no! This is terrible! My game stopped! Ugh. Welcome to the wild, brother.
Wow! Look at our beautiful treehouse.
It is like a fairy tale. Come on, Tom. Ugh. No internet. This is a fake vacation.
Do not say that. Go explore the real world.
Please work. I need to finish my level. What is that boring black box? Who are you? It is my game. I am Oliver. Your game is totally fake. It is not fake. Leave me alone. Catch me if you want it back. Hey! Do not steal my things! Come find me, city boy! I don't care. I will get it back. Oliver! Stop playing this crazy game! Oliver? Where are you? Oh no! I am lost.
What is that sound?
This forest is too dangerous. Help! There is a monster here. I want my mom. I want my dad. Dad! Mom! Tom is not in the yard.
Stay here, Anna. I will go find him.
Tom! Can you hear me, Tom?
Tom. Are you there?
Dad! Watch out for the monster!
I am here, son. You are safe now.
A boy took my tablet, and then I saw a dark monster.
Look up there, Tom. Let me show you a secret.
It is an owl? Not a monster?
Fear is just a lie we tell ourselves. Be brave.
It looks very cute, actually.
Let's find your tablet and go back.
I am sorry. I didn't mean to make you cry.
It is okay to play, but never steal.
I just wanted to show you the real forest. I forgive you. Your forest is very cool.
Let the moon guide us. Look around, kids.
Wow! They are like tiny stars. This is the real magic, not a fake screen. You are right. It is beautiful.
We must cross this bridge to go home.
It looks a little bit dangerous.
Hold my hand, Tom. Step by step.
I am not scared. Great job, Tom. You did it!
See? You conquered your fear. I am proud of you.
Look, they are back. Oh, Tom, are you okay? I was so scared.
I am fine, Mom. Dad saved me from the dark. This is my new friend, Oliver. Nice to meet you, Oliver. Do you want to join our campfire?
Let's sit down and share some stories.
Who wants a hot marshmallow?
Me, please! This is so fun! This is yummy. Much better than a fake cake in a game. You are right. I will never say this trip is a disaster again.
That is the best secret of nature. It changes you.
Dad, tell us a story about the forest.
Long ago, there was no monster here, only a wise owl.
I know that owl. He is my friend now.
I am glad you found your brave heart, Tom. Look at the stars. There are millions of them.
It is the most beautiful screen I have ever seen. I am sleepy. I have to go to my tent. Goodbye, Tom. Goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow, Oliver. We will play again.
We must put out the fire. Safety first.
Time to brush your teeth and sleep, little explorers.
I do not need this for a long time. Good night, brave Tom. No more terrible nightmares. Good night, Anna. I love the forest.
He grew up so much today.
Yes. Nature is the best teacher we have. Sweet dreams, my beautiful family.
Good morning, world. I am ready to explore. This is not a lie. It is the best trip ever.
We love family trips.
Put down your screen and explore the world. Be brave.
Learn English with
Slow English family. Goodbye.